everybody. So it's me and my mom actually. So I've had an autoimmune issue for 20 years. I'm 33 years old, or turning 33 this year. And my mom has had her autoimmune issue for probably 30 years. So I've known Colton. We used to work at the same luxury gym together, and I trust him explicitly. So when he said he had this water that would help my autoimmune issue, I was like, all right, I'll give it a try. But I've been to every doctor under the face of the earth. I've spent thousands of dollars on specialists, my mom as well. So I was skeptical, to say the least. Well, after about a month of really consistently drinking the water, my dandruff completely went away. My nails started regrowing and growing back stronger. I didn't have a metallic taste in my mouth anymore, which was one of the symptoms I was about to have a flare up. Is my tongue would swell and you would almost taste like you had a penny in your mouth. My energy has improved and my joints don't hurt. My mom is even crazier because she got to the point, she has staph infection of the blood. And so she was at the point where none of the antibiotics were actually working for her anymore. And that was really scary because she was bedridden for about 9 months last year. And that's not a really good life to have. So I told her, I said, Mom, this really helped me. I want you to do it. She was willing to try it, and she hasn't had a migraine for a month straight, which hasn't happened in 30 years. She doesn't have any more swelling in her mouth. The doctors had actually prescribed bleach up her nose to kill the staph infection because it originates in the sinuses. And so she switched to the 2.5 pH that the machine makes, and all of her eye issues and no issues and ears issues went away. And that's only in the last 30 days. So I can't wait to see what happens for her when she continues to drink it. And now my dad's drinking it because he has reoccurring gout. So we're basically a water crazy family right now.